IVMon ansiut san judelkistu bludripallase.
MENVMon wants to go to Poultry Palace.
No, because you two are still grounded.
I think that we don't have any food.
Okay, we can go to Poultry Palace if you guys behave. You two are grounded. If you two misbehave, then you're grounded longer. Guys, what do you want? We're getting chicken nuggets, cheeseburger, BNL soda and gummy bearmans.
MENVMon one day milkshake, ice cream, chicken nuggets and apple slick toy.
And the want is this my thing mon.
Guys, that's too much junk for you.
Guys, W on right here right now ast jukset ukrispe uibusit bestippenset vy 932234523 hyri u23 fu2 g8 g3 f8 krui 4 gtr punktum semikolon g punktum semikolon rh punktum semikolon h punktum semikolon tr til højre semikolon eh punktum semikolon punktum h HJ semikolon J.Y,645 og Y, K5 JJ4 UU4.
I'll kill you all.
Guys, you two are grounded and faith demon. Why would you say such a thing? Let's go home and never come to this place with you two again.